Hey guys, this is Maria from TroySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Boomerang effects. Instagram has integrated Boomerang mode into its stories camera, making it easy for users to snap a boomerang on the go. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon at the top of your screen. Once the camera window opens, tap the boomerang icon on the left. Press and hold on the record button in order to record your boomerang. After that, hit the infinity symbol at the top of your screen. Once you do it, you have an opportunity to select from Classic, Slow-mo, Echo or Duo effects. Choose one of the effects and click Done in the top right corner. Now you can apply filters, insert website link, add stickers, draw something, or write text. When you are happy with the boomerang, tap your story icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. And your boomerang will be added to your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Boomerang effects. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TroySocial.com.